At U-Haul, we know a move can be exciting.
I got it.
Perhaps you landed that big promotion. Or maybe it's time to live closer to family.
You guys can come over whenever you want.
Or you got that bigger place.
Are you excited to have your own room?
But we also know that moving, well, that's not so much fun.
Can you all help us move?
I'm busy that weekend. Sorry, man.
I didn't tell you what weekend.
Which is why we created MovingHelp.com.
Look at this.
MovingHelp.com has over 2 million real customer reviews, so you can pick the perfect provider. And you'll be able to choose exactly what help you need for your move.
Thank you.
Whether you're moving across town, headed across the country, or just need a little muscle, you can be confident in our upfront guaranteed pricing. Safe, convenient, reliable.
We made it.
Moving Help, powered by U-Haul. Your move made easier.